How to know if Instagram account is open on another device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can figure out if Instagram account is also logged in on another devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you think that someone else is also logged into your Instagram account, you can easily find out. So for that, you can open the Instagram app, then you can just tap the profile icon, tap the three lines option from the top right, and then go to settings. From here, just go to security, and here you'll find the option called login activity. Tap on it, and here you will be able to see a list of devices where your Instagram account was last logged in. So this one is actually active, which is this my very own device, but the other devices, which it could also be you, but it could not be you as well. So if you don't recognize a certain device here, because it will show you the device model, you can just tap the three dots option, tap on logout, and this way you can know if someone else is logged in. Now the easier way you can log out is you can just tap on password here and then change your password, and when you change your password, everywhere where your account is logged in will get automatically logged out, and this way you'll be able to know if someone is logged into your Instagram account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.